I was just idling here with the machine in reverse, and it's a good thing you said stand by and not go, because if you said go, I would have punched it and probably went right through the fucking blue building in reverse.
We don't have the budget to go through buildings just yet.
You know what this machine needs?
What?
More power, baby. 3, 2, 1.
All right, so we're up here at our favorite place, Jericho Mountain State Park. Guys, it's day one out here. It's a Friday, and we weren't really expecting rain, but we're gonna get these machines unloaded, and we're still gonna enjoy the day because anybody who has ever ridden where it's really dusty knows that a day of rain could be your saving grace. I'm gonna call up Al Gore and see if he can shut the rain off. What are you YouTubing?
Day 2. Who's here, Rich?
Papa Rich, baby.
You think I was gonna show, huh, Punky?
I didn't think you were gonna show
I
up.
was gonna call you at 4 o'clock. I said I never went home. I got home at 4 o'clock this morning, dropped the dog off, and I'm sitting in the driveway looking at the fucking thing, and it said 3 hours and 7 minutes. I was like, oh, fuck. I was gonna call you. I'm like, I can't. I gotta go.
Waving at him. It's gonna like,
He's
come
gonna
on.
have to drive today, I think. I'm gonna have to, I don't have to take a nap.
Did you sleep at all?
What time did you guys get home?
Barely.
I didn't sleep. None. Zero.
I barely slept.
Partying hard until 3 o'clock.
is he?
I don't know where we are. We are up here somewhere in New Hampshire. We are on our way to our favorite spot in Colebrook. The Bear Place? Not the Bear Place. Yeah, the Bear Place, yeah. Yeah. The Black Bear Tavern, dude.
We got a bridge.
Dude, if it stays just like this for the rest of the day, it'll be a good day. Sun coming through a little bit, warm up. I'm like a little too bundled right now.
A week and a half ago, I was swimming in the White River in Vermont, dude. Talk about fucking cold. Paul's like, you're out of your mind. Puppy swim out to an island like that. I'm like, I'm with you. I stripped down in my Joe boxes and jumped in there. That was some cold shit. There's like a rip that came around the rock, the island. It was pretty fast. I said, puppy, jump in there and take the ride. He looks at me like, what ride? I said, dude, you jump in there and you'll fucking go zipping down. And he did. He jumped right in and took the whole ride through the rapids. I didn't know he was fucking riding along. I was fucking got Puppy's harness and strapped him in next to him.
His name's actually Puppy?
Well, his name's Shredder, but I call him Puppy because, you know, when you start yelling, Shredder, to a pit bull, my Puppy gets nervous.
Yeah. Now it's the opposite. Now it's like a disguised puppy. Like, oh, cute puppy. Where is he? Where's the puppy?
Oh, I did the puppy thing because everybody that sees a big dog coming, oh, hi, Puppy, you know what I mean? Oh, hey, they know my name.
It's our favorite place, Black Bear Tavern.
You know, I rented the hotel the first.
The dog.
The dog. Oh, he's thinking you probably want to give me another one of these.
He's thirsty.
Like you said, it was a long ride.
I should probably just bring him in twos.
In twos?
Um,
I don't know how we can drink those like that.
looks like heartburn to me.
No, if it was the lemon one, that's why I asked if you had the originals.
Yeah.
The peach, the raspberry, and the lemon ones kill me. I'm drink 100. I still drive my motorcycle. Bro, they tell me don't take my fucking dog. Nobody, you know, we got 4 calls already about that dog. Nobody wants to come out of the house. I go, that's the point. You told me not to tell them to shut the fuck up anymore and get in the house. So I bring my dogs so they don't come because they're scared.
Hey! Is he gonna drive?
Yeah, I am.
Huh?
Don't listen to him.
No.
We're gonna go for a little while, just a little bit.
Papa Rich is driving the Turbo S. your winch as a jack. Ready?